one would give me a hard time, wouldn't it? We got this loose. Watch out there.
Oh,
be careful, don't fall.
I wasn't watching where I was going.
I'm tempted just to go ahead and just drop the whole thing.
Go ahead and just be out of the way.
I said I'm tempted. I didn't say I was going to. I think there's not much holding it anyway.
It don't look like it. Maybe that one board over there. At least on that side.
Yeah, well, I decide what we're going to do. There, boss. Remember? My project.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Trying to shore us up a spot here. I busted it. Didn't help anyway.
Yeah, it busted pretty good, didn't it?
Trying to get this out of the way.
There you go. Bugs are bad, aren't they?
There's my old jack box.
I don't know what it's doing here.
What do you want to do with this big flower pot? Set it out of the way.
Just set it out of the way right now.
Okay, now we got room. And I don't remember where was it at. Crap.
Right there. Right here, wasn't it?
I broke half of it off. No, this is where the feeder was. Well, we finally found it. Took us about 15 minutes of digging, but here's where it broke off. And of course it would break off, right? I couldn't just pull it out of the hole. That would be too easy. In fact, if everything went to plan, with the luck I have, I would be afraid a little meteorite would come out from outer space and hit me in the head. But enough of my complaining. Let's get back to working, right? You guys ain't here to listen to me talk. I need to cut the grass in here. Might do that tomorrow.
Yeah, that's why there are all these bugs in here.
Now I got a good look at the post.
What does it look like?
Ain't going to get it out that way. Of course, it's surrounded by rocks.
Looks like most of it rotted away.
I'll probably have to do this one the way I did that other one. Oh, maybe not.
Bingo.
I hope that's all of it. I guess we'll find out. Okay. catch my breath. All right. What do you guys think? You guys think I'm hateful? My wife said I'm hateful. Let me get my center block, if it's still here. Hateful and whiny, right?
Well, nobody's perfect.
That wasn't a no, was it?
Hear that wind, man.
Got one low side, so we should probably measure from the low side, right?
Yeah.
It's like when you're digging a grave. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's go get a post.
Good thing we pick out our own boards.
Oh, yeah. That one's not bad. It's got a bad end down here, but see it here?
Yeah.
But we put that in the dirt and it won't really matter.
And that's got a hole in it too.
Here? Yeah, that'll be in the dirt too. That other end up there doesn't look that bad. So
No, it don't look too bad. But you're never going to get exactly perfect board.
no, it's like a perfect husband, right?
Or a perfect wife.
I don't know. I got pretty close to that. Guys, if they'll put up with you, that's a keeper.
That goes both ways.
30 inches, right?
Yeah, I believe so.
Why?
Because they're 10-foot boards.
Close enough. Struggling there to remember which way to put it. Till I'm a professional, right? Professional hillbilly. Or as my Uncle Philip used to say, he's a professional cobbler. You can cobble stuff together professionally. He also called himself a jack of all trades and a master of none.
And that the way life really is.
He was really good at collecting comic books. He had some nice ones.
Do kids even collect comic books anymore?
From what I heard, comic books have gone digital.
What?
Yeah, they've gone digital.
Well, that doesn't teach kids how to take care of anything then.
You guys ready for this? think you're. Where is my level? I didn't bring it out here, did I?
Don't see
Go ahead
it.
and pause it.